Dear students, today I am giving you two questions as home assignment with reference to the chapter Inorganic Polymers. Now, my first question is discuss average molecular weight concept with reference to inorganic polymers. Now, I am giving you the hint to answer this question. Now, what is average molecular weight concept? A polymer consists of molecules of different molecular weights. This you all know. Therefore, its molecular weight is expressed in terms of an average value. Now, I can give you one example. Ethylene gas. It is a simple compound which contains a low molecular weight. Now, its molecules have the same chemical structure, CH2 double bond CH2. Hence, the molecular weight is fixed, which is 28. This you all know. But when ethylene is taken for polymerization, it gives a polymer named polyethylene. And then we have its indefinite chemical structure. That is CH2 single bond CH2 whole N. What is N here? N is the number of monomer molecules which can change its value from one polyethylene molecule to another in the same sample. This is so because when ethylene is polymerized to give polyethylene, a number of polymer chains start growing at any instance, but all of them do not get terminated after growing to the same size. Now, the termination of chain is a random process, and therefore each polymer molecule formed can have a different number of monomer units and possesses different molecular weights. Now, we can say that we have to take the average of molecular weight of all the polymeric chains. So, a polymer sample can therefore be assumed of as a mixture of molecules of the same chemical structure but of different molecular weights. Now, in this case, the molecular weight of polymer is expressed only statistically and shown as some average of the molecular weight contributed by the individual molecules that make the sample. So, this is the average molecular weight concept for inorganic polymers. You can elaborate the answer using these hints. My second question is calculate the number average molecular weight of a polymer. You all know that a polymer molecule be thought of as a mixture of molecules of the same chemical type but of different molecular weights. Now, in this situation, the molecular weight of the polymer sample can only be viewed and expressed as some average of the molecular weights contributed by the individual molecules that make the sample. Now, we have to now consider the ways and means of averaging out the molecular weight of the polymer. Now, the two most common and experimentally verifiable methods of averaging are called number average and weight average methods. Now, here in this question, we have to discuss number average molecular weight. Now, for this, we can consider a basket of 4 vegetables. Now, one basket is containing 4 types of vegetables and each type of vegetable represents one type of polymeric chain. Okay. Now, we have to find out the average weight of the vegetables, that is average weight of the polymeric chains present in that basket, and to work this out, we may assume that the individual vegetable, that is our polymeric chain entity, contributes to the average weight in the proportion of its number. Then we can get the number average molecular weight, we can calculate the number average molecular weight, and for this calculation you can refer my previous video and which I have already uploaded on the YouTube and shared with you all. So, thank you.